Hello friends, this is Prashant. Uh, Another unboxing video. This time I had ordered the watch from eBay.com, and this has come all the way from Ukraine. And here is the package. Let me open this one up. It's a Wostok watch. Here I have a letter kind of thing. Okay, from the seller. Nice gesture. And here is the packing. The watch is here inside it. Quite loosely packed, but it is a Wostok watch that I had ordered, a Russian mechanical watch. And what I had liked about the watch was the intricate pattern on the dial. Here is the watch. Yeah, look at this, beautiful. As if it is some sort of a porcelain dial. Let me try and open the watch. Fantastic, works immediately. Okay, it took about 15 odd days for the watch to reach me, and the postal department delivered it to my home quite quickly. So this is what it is, and these are the packings. I don't think I would save them, but then yeah, it's a good watch. Looks pretty nice to me. Let me put it on my wrist and see. Okay. The funny part is, I guess the strap has not been put the right way. This should go this side, I guess. Yeah. So apart from that, the watch seems pretty nice. Beautiful watch. Let me tell you the seller's name, so that just in case you guys also want to order from him, I recommend this guy. The best gifts from Ukraine is his store name, and that is all from me at this moment. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to meet you again with some other watch on my table, and some unboxing videos and reviews. Thank you so much. Bye bye.